2023's edition of March Madness has caused many fan bases to lose every last one of their marbles this season. Through Eagle Eye TV, I was able to cover the NCAA tournament games in Birmingham's Legacy Arena, which was an amazing experience with so many great games, great teams, and great moments. Just in case you missed it, here is my quick 2-minute crash course on all that happened in Upset City during the first weekend of this bizarre big dance. Start in the South region. Number 13 seed Furman beat number 4 seed Virginia 68-67 on the back of a miraculous three-pointer by Furman guard J.P. Peages after UVA guard K.Hay Clark threw the ball into the middle of the court, hoping to run some clock, but his desperation heave went right into the hands of Furman and eventually cost them the game. Welcome to March, Virginia. Number 2, Arizona, and number 15, Princeton. Ryan Lamborg lifted Princeton to its first lead of the ballgame with 2:03 to play, and Princeton used a late-game run to earn their first NCAA tournament win in 25 years, stunning Arizona 59-55. To the Midwest region, number 16, Northern Kentucky almost pulled off the upset of the year against number 1, Houston, but they struggled to put ball in basket in the last 7 minutes and fell to the Cougars 63-52. Our 9 seed Auburn Tigers bested the 8 seed Iowa Hawkeyes in one of the tournament's most anticipated 8-9 matchups. Despite Auburn's losing in the second round against Houston, it was an absolute blast to cover our guys all year long. To the West region, Arkansas finished off number 1 seed Kansas with a little English in the round of 32, and you better believe Coach Musselman had his shirt off because honestly, when does he not? Not too many upset alerts sounded in the West region because I think the East got a little jealous and made sure they got all of the attention. Another 8-9 upset went down as the Owls of Florida Atlantic handed a first-round exit to Penny Hardaway and the Memphis Tigers. Nicholas Boyd drove to the basket through traffic and converted a floater with 2.5 seconds left to make history for FAU. And I'm saving the best for last. The 16 seed Fairleigh Dickinson Knights brought down the Giant. Pulling off one of the biggest upsets in NCAA history, the undersized underdog Knights shocked top-seeded Purdue and Player of the Year candidate 7'4" powerhouse Zach Edey 63-58, becoming the second number 16 seed to win a game in March Madness. This game was just bonkers. And don't ask me who I think will win because frankly, just about every team I picked to come out on top in all 7 Blue Million of my brackets is watching the remaining games from their couches just like me. May the best team win, unless it's Alabama. Kidding, I'm kidding.